you're watching HW News. The Bharatiya Janata Party today announced that Malegaon blast accused Sadhvi Pragya Thakur will be contesting from Madhya Pradesh's Bhopal constituency against veteran Congress leader Digvijay Singh. In an issued statement, BJP announced that Pragya Thakur will be contesting from Bhopal. Sadhvi Pragya Thakur earlier today, after joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, said that she has formally joined the party and will contest election and will win also. Now let us hear what she had said.
अपने जो कांग्रेस के षड्यंत्र के जो हमारे इतने 10 वर्ष बीते हैं, उसके पश्चात आज जब ये राजनीतिक युद्ध प्रारंभ हुआ है, धर्म युद्ध प्रारंभ हुआ है, तो इसके लिए मैं आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी कार्यालय पर आई हूं और सब मिलकर के राष्ट्र के विरुद्ध जो षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं, उनके विरुद्ध राष्ट्र धर्म के लिए हम लोग एक साथ मिलकर के कार्य करेंगे और ये धर्म युद्ध हम जीतेंगे, ये सुनिश्चित है।
Reports of Thakur to contest from Bhopal arises after senior BJP leaders like Narendra Singh Tomar, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Uma Bharti refused to contest from Bhopal seat. The contest between both the candidates will heat up the election in Bhopal, as Digvijay Singh in the past had often alleged the BJP for promoting saffron terror, as Thakur was the key accused in the 2008 Malegaon blast, where 6 people were killed and more than 100 people were injured. Pragya Thakur is a key accused of 2008 Malegaon blast case, and Thakur has been charged of being part of the Terror Act under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. She is out of bail now but has not been discharged by the NIA court hearing the case. For more news updates, log on to www.hwnews.in. Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.